Yo, let's be real. The fastest way to thrive in today's economy isn't by working harder. It's by owning the things people already need every single day. Vehicles, property, spaces to stay, tools to travel. These things people use constantly. You can own them, rent them, and then turn them into consistent monthly income. My name is Trevor Calais, former military veteran, and I'm the founder of Let's Go Hustle, where we've helped over 10,000 service members boost their benefits, turn their credit into capital, and their capital into cash flow with a done-for-you system that creates an additional 5 to 10K per month in extra income. I personally own over 40 vehicles that I never get to see because I've automated and delegated every part of that process, and each vehicle brings me an additional 1 to 3,000 per car per month. And you can do the exact same thing. The best part about it, it doesn't matter where you're at or what vehicles you have. As long as you follow the systems and the strategies we provide, you will be successful. And today I want to show you why everyday assets like cars and properties are the new wealth strategy, how they can generate consistent passive income, and why now is the best time to turn simple ownership into business freedom. Here's what most people believe. Only rich people can own assets like rental properties or extra cars. That's a default belief and it's outdated, because here's the reality. You don't need to be rich to start. You need to be resourceful. Access to credit and funding lets you leverage what you already have. Platforms like Turo and Airbnb make it easy to turn everyday assets into money-producing businesses. You have access to the internet, so you're surrounded by opportunities. You've just been trained to see them as expenses instead of income streams. Here's the shift that you need, right? Everyday assets are not liabilities when they generate income. That car sitting in your driveway, that property with an extra room or unused space, those could be turned into automated cash flow machines, because people will always need vehicles and places to stay. When you own what people need, you don't chase money. Money chases you. Here's exactly how it's gonna work for you. You wanna start with what you already have. Maybe you've got one reliable car or access to an extra room or property. That's your first income producing asset. Leverage the platforms that are out there, right? Turo handles millions of vehicle rentals every single month. Airbnb manages millions of bookings globally. You plug in, set up, and the traffic is already built in. You need to create consistency. Each car on Turo can generate $1,000 to $3,000 a month. Each Airbnb property can generate $2,000 to $5,000 a month depending on the location. Stack a few of each and you've got a business, not just a side hustle. Figure out how you're gonna automate the system. Automated check-ins, digital keys, cleaners, trackers, all of it removes you from the daily grind. Now your assets run like machines, and machines never stop. Then you wanna scale all of that stuff with credit and capital. Once you've proven the model, you can access more business funding to expand your fleet or your property portfolio safely and strategically. This is how you're gonna turn a car or a property into a full-scale income generating business. But here's what stops most people. They overthink it, they assume it's too saturated or too risky. They see other people doing it and think, I could never. They never learn the system, so they never start. The truth, the only people who lose are the ones who never play. Demand for rentals, both cars and homes, is higher than ever. People are traveling, relocating, and working remotely more than at any time in history. That's why this business model thrives in any economy. You need to think of it like this. You don't have to build a complicated business to make big money. You just have to own something people already want. Cars and properties aren't luxuries anymore. They're utilities. When you turn those utilities into businesses, you stop being a consumer and start being a producer. And the best part about all this is it's scalable. Once your first asset pays for itself, you repeat it over and over again. That's how wealth is built, not overnight, but consistently. When I started this, I wasn't thinking about building a business. I just wanted some more money. I took one car, listed it on Turo, and it made me about $1,800 the first month. I realized this wasn't luck, it was a system. So I repeated it. I added another car, then another. Now I've got over 40 vehicles that I never see, and they all bring in cash flow every single month, even while I'm asleep. And that has got to be the best part about it. That's when everything clicked for me, right? Everyday assets, when structured right, can build the kind of freedom people dream about. And that's exactly what I now teach others through our program. How to use credit and capital to buy assets that pay them for life. We're not talking about punching a clock for somebody else. We're talking about creating our own income and living life on our terms. Yo, Trevor Calais here, and I appreciate you for watching this video. Listen to me, guys. Information without action is worthless. You've got the benefits. Now it's time to actually execute. Text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035 right now, and let's make something can happen. I definitely have a system that can change your whole financial future. All you have to do is have a little bit of implementation. So keep grinding, keep hustling, and stay blessed. Now let's get back to the video. So let me ask you this. How many things are you paying for every month that could actually be paying you back? How many opportunities are you sitting on because you never thought to look at them as assets? You don't need $1 million business idea. You just need to own something people already use and want. You don't have to chase the next trend. You just have to control the next asset. So if you already know people are renting cars and booking stays every single day, why wouldn't you own the asset they're paying for? Wouldn't it make a lot more sense to learn how to structure it like a real business so it pays you consistently month after month while you're sleeping? If that's you, I want you to text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035. It's gonna come straight to my phone, and from there, we're gonna figure out the best way to help you start leveraging everyday assets for long-term cash flow. Because I'm gonna be transparent. It's smarter to own what people need than to keep paying for what they already use. Make sure you shoot me a text so we can get you started. Hit that like and subscribe button as well. Peace.